All right, guys. Good morning. They prepared for us breakfast. So, pakita ko sa inyo ano yung breakfast na piniprepare sa may probinsya kapag meron silang bisita. So, if-flip ko yung camera para makita ninyo ng ayos. So, eto ang aming pagkain for breakfast. Merong tinapay, meron kaming margarine. Ito yung margarine nila dito. Tag 5,000 Ugandan shillings to or 50 pesos. Then, meron kaming tsaa. Ayan. So, yung tsaa, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng lemon. Kaya merong lemon dito. Galing mismo to sa kanilang lupa, tanim nila. Then, dito meron tayong greens. Ayan. Dito meron tayong greens. Kaya dito guys, mahirap mamatay dito. Kaya napaka-healthy nila dito dahil hindi nawawala yung mga dahon nila. Then meron tayong beef sauce. At saka matoke at patatas. So, that's what we're going to have for breakfast. Maring Sara is there. So again guys, this is the family of Maring Sara hosting us. And Isaac is there. Hi Isaac. Hi. Hi Salome. Hi. Thank you for this amazing breakfast. Kain tayo guys.
Princess, why are you entering under like that?
The signal is here under this tree, orange tree.
I brought her snack and look how she is.
Wow! What's this?
Banana.
Ah, boiled? Wow, but different type.
Yeah, different type.
Wow. Thank you. Web.
A few more.
Alright. Alright guys, maayong udto. So now we are going to pack kasi pupunta kami ng bukid ni Maring Sara. So, nasa probinsya na kami ngayon, pero this is the center of the probinsya, town center. So, para makarating kami sa mismong liblib ng probinsya nila, mga 2 oras pa. So, mag-i-empake na ako, si Maring Sara din. Nagluto sila, dapat kaya umaga kami umalis. Kaso, nag-prepare sila ng pagkain, lokal na manok. Yun daw talaga yung ginagawa pang welcome sa bisita. So, hindi daw kami pwedeng umalis hanggat sa hindi ko makain. So, syempre ako din, patay gutom naman tayo. Kahit saan may food, doon tayo gora. So, sabi ko, okay, go. Antay lang ako dito. So, habang nag-aantay, nag-enjoy kami sa paligid ng bahay. And then, ngayon ako ay mag-i-empake na nga. So, ang laman ng aking bag, eto guys. Ayan ang laman ang aking bag. Lagay ko lang dyan. Tanggalin ko nga muna ito at hindi ako makapag-ano ng maayos. Yan. Hindi ko siya mabuksan ng maayos ang aking bag. Pero, ganito yung setup namin ni Maring Sara kagabi. Ayan ang aking tulugan. At ayan ang tulugan ni Maring Sara. And, tatanggalin ko lang to para malagay namin yung gamit namin sa aming mga bags. Ayan. And then, ang dami kasing lamok. So dito guys, sa probinsya o sa Africa, meron tinatawag na malaria. So si malaria, nakukuha siya sa kagat ng lamok. So para maiwasan yan, kailangan meron tayong laging dalang, saan nga ba yun? Meron tayong dalang, ayan. Ito, ang aking off lotion. And, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. Pero saglit. Ako muna yung magtatanggal ng okay. Ang taas naman kasi nitong nilagyan ni Maring Sara. Ayan. Ayan. So, iiwan ko lang itong aking ibang maruming damit, but konti lang yung dinala namin gamit ni Maring Sara kasi nga kami ay magbabiyahe. So, magbibihis na ako guys and then mag-i-impake na kami and then I'll see you guys shortly. Okay. So, ang mga dala ko guys papunta sa probinsya ni Maring Sara ay ang aking malong tsaka 3 pares ng damit at 2 pares na pantulog. Kasi dapat yung mga essentials lang talaga. So far, nag-follow up ako dun sa inaasikaso ko sa capital city ng Uganda. Wala pa akong update. So okay lang guys, at least maging productive ako habang inaantay ko itong aking mga transaksyon at matapos natin. At alam ko marami sa inyo yung mga nagtatanong about sa anak ni Auntie Christine. Sila po ay nasa field trip pa, school trip, and they're coming back this week, I believe. So, medyo busy na time pala daw to sa eskwelahan ng mga anak ni Auntie Christine, pero I will find a way para ma-meet sila. Then alam ko hinahanap niyo yung mga anak ko, si Kuya Nasri tsaka si Muhammad Ali. It's also a very sensitive topic and I don't want to comment muna ng madami. But I will try. But you know guys how it is. It's not as easy as what other people think. Kasi nga, may mga magulang din yung mga anak ko and we don't want to step on anyone's feet. So I hope you guys understand that. But I also brought with me itong aking pamaypay. Sobrang ganda. Dala ko din to kasi just in case mainit, meron tayong pamaypay. And then meron akong ano ba? Itong aking damit na ginawa ni Maring Sara, dinala ko din just in case kailanganin natin kasi baka meron tayong puntahan, wala tayong damit na magba-blend in. Then meron ako maliit na tuwalya. So talagang backpacker lang kami ni Maring Sara. Pakonti-konti lang yung mga dala namin gamit. And then for my important stuff, I have ang mga gamot ko sa hyperthyroidism, gamot sa lagnat, sakit ng ulo, just in case. Then, ang aking mga charger, very important, guys. Ayan. Ang aking microphone, in case kailanganin natin.
Okay guys, so time check natin, mag-aalauna na ng hapon. And as customary dito sa Uganda, talagang nagpre-prepare talaga sila ng pagkain. And hindi ka tulad sa atin sa Pilipinas na pwede ka mag-offer tumulong. Dito sa kanila, pag bisita ka talaga. You're going to wait, you're going to eat, you can do whatever you want after eating, after you thank them. Kasi nga, talagang nasa kultura nila na mag-serve at mag-host ng kanilang bisita. So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo, kasi kanina pa talaga sila nagluluto guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kanilang niluto para sa pananghalian. So titingnan natin. So here, meron tayong ayan, ayusin lang natin. Here, meron tayong kanin. Ganyan sila mag-serve ng kanin, hindi plain rice. Laging merong something, dahon, what. Then dito naman, meron silang salad na repolyo. And then here is the best part guys. Ito talaga, hindi daw pwedeng umalis kami na hindi namin to nakakain. Ang kanilang lokal na chicken, galing mismo sa kanilang bakuran. Look at that. So, kakain na tayo, guys. Sinaantay ko si Maring Sara. Uncle, we eat?
We eat and we...
We go?
Are we ready to go to the...
I'm ready.
Okay.
For me, I'm ready. So, kakain na tayo, guys. Let's dig up. Nakakahiyang kumain kasi wala pa yung iba. Pero sabi nila, kailangan na daw namin kumain kasi kami pupunta na sa bukid. So, I feel bad that I'm alone. I don't know why I'm alone here. Uncle, we eat. So, una natin isa-serve, guys, kanin. Bahala na si Batman dyan. Basta ang pagkain ng Uganda talaga. Hindi pwedeng... Cabbage, kanin, at saka manok.
Satyaki scolds Umi for bending the rules, then melts her heart with a sweet surprise. But when he says no to her outing,
Salome, let's eat.
Yes. Serving for others.
Okay. So now, yan ang kakainin natin, guys. Promise ko sa inyo talaga, ang sarap ng pagkain nila. Hindi lang dahil, alam ko bago sa inyo lahat yan, pero the way sila magluto at the way sila maglagay ng spices nila, masarap. Kaya pag nakikita niyo ako natakam sa pagkain ng pagkain nila, ay talagang promise, ang sarap, guys. Tsaka yung sarap na very lokal. Yung lokal na sarap. Yung talagang galing sa apoy. It's good. Sarah, Mama, let's eat.
Yeah, we are going to eat. Aizo.
Oh, we eat.
Well,
Eat and we go. When you're riding, you know how long? When you're riding. Oh, my reach Nepepe. Oh, we'll find you there. Yeah. Relax it up. Mas huwag kang magsalo mo. Yeah. That kind of translation is what you're talking about.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ini mga minin siya.
Ano ko bala pwede? Ano isda?
Wala ba pa yun? Kailangan ba yung nagbali yung isang
Ang arabe. This is for the visa.
That is
The visa.
Thank you. Yung batikulon daw, guys, para sa bisita.
Ah, ben kapan nganyo na yung tao na kung magyalo. Yun mo yung kabro ka. Iwan mo. Ha? Iwan mo niya yun. O saan mo dito na doon din? Ano pa nga nganyo na tao?
Sala aja pakai kuning Gwen.
Eh, o tao mo na, di mo siya mo. Ano tao mo?
What is that girl doing?
Acho na rin, acho na.
The girl.
The movie.
Lo pa acho si ba? Si Golo na yaso mo. Lu siya mo yaso nga. Ito yung mga yun yung abang na kalaj na yung oras pwede kalaj.
We are walking to the town center. Kasi kami ni Maring Sara ay, look at this hut. Very nice. But it's cement.
No, is it? No,
Cement?
no. It looks not.
Kasi umalis kami ni Maring Sara, wala kaming dalang pera. Yung pera namin nasa cellphone. So yung pera nila dito, meron din silang parang GCash. Ang tawag dito, mobile money. Money in your mobile. So, kailangan namin ng mobile money shop para makakuha kami ng pera kasi wala kaming pamasahe papunta sa bukid. Let's go.
I got a buy for him biscuit.
Which one? Okay. What are they drying here? G-nuts?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Ground nuts.
Like I just went and harvested.
Oh.
Okay, tamarind tree.
Oh, so many. Sarah, you came in the right. We failed with oranges, but with tamarind.
Yeah, but I don't know if we'll find the dry one.
We dry it.
No, it has to dry on the tree.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought you picked them and you let it dry.
You can preserve them like that, but you know when they're in the tree, they're so green. You'll
Yeah.
taste that. You'll see the texture. The tamarind has to separate itself from the pod,
Mm.
and that when it's mature. But when it's green,
Oh, yeah. When it separates itself from the skin. When you break and it's just on its own. But when it's green, it's all
yeah.
sticking. Okay. We have them growing up. I don't know where are they now.
So in my head yesterday,
Mm.
we were somewhere there. You see?
You're crazy.
Then we were coming like this. Doesn't it look alike somehow? Okay, the road is
No,
small.
but
Just make sure you reach the
But Sarah, it happened to me too. In my
Look
even
at
in
the
my
road.
home.
Look at the road.
Yeah.
and then in my head we're like here.
Yes.
And then now
Yes,
this is the
yeah,
road we're
I
going.
understand. She was imagining things in... Guys, nakakuha na kami ng pera. So, we were able to withdraw some money. So, nag-withdraw lang ako ng 200,000 Ugandan shillings. O, di ba? Pang mayaman, 100,000 tayo dito. Pero yung 200,000 guys, 2,000 pesos lang yan siya. Pamasahe lang natin, pangkain, gano'n. Nakakahiya naman kung lagi tayong palamunin. Dapat meron tayong sariling panggastos dito. So, si Maring Sara nagwi-withdraw lang ng pera. Ayan. So, ito na yung kanilang pinaka-town. As you can see, guys. Ang pinaka-town mismo na malapit sa bahay ng uncle ni Maring Sara.
Just the center.
Santa. That's how you call it. So, what do you call the Santa? The one where we bought
Then
bread?
the town. That's the town.
The town cent. The town's this okay. I was confused. The town is the big one. The center is the smaller one, like in a community.
You buy my token for tomorrow's breakfast.
Yeah, where we're going to carry. You don't have it there.
That means someone has to go again on a motorbike.
Oh, so we carry.
We just carry a few things to just sort us in the morning.
Ah, okay. All right. Let's go. Bibili kami ng matoke, guys. Matoke
Or Irish.
and Irish for breakfast. So, Dito kami sa isang tindahan. Bibili kami ng mga kain namin ni Maring Sarah. Sarah, you let me know. I have some money. Matoke. So, dito merong matoke. 1,000 for this whole?
No?
4 fingers. Ah. 4 pieces, 1,000 Ugandan shillings or 10 piso. Akala ko yung buong saging. Dito na sana ako titira. And this one is repolyo, guys. How much is cabbage?
Yes. Cabbage is 2,000.
20 pesos or 2,000 Ugandan shillings. Then meron din silang dilis o mukene. Kasi baka bukas, maaga kami masyadong magising, walang pagkain. So, magdadala tayo ng pagkain sa bukid. We also have indizi. Maliit na banana, maliit na saging. Then, kamatis, sibuyas, itlog, talong, avocado, passion fruit, oranges. What's this, Sarah? Coffee. It looks beans.
No?
Oh,
It's for preparing our local soups.
what's an, I don't
It's they call, is it
peas?
black-eyed peas? The soup.
Ah, but grounded.
Yeah.
This avocado is so nice.
Yeah, but I don't know if they'll not get squished up. But we need. How much are your tomatoes?
Yeah, that's too big. We need to carry a sack just. So we carry at once.
Thank you. Then your onions?
Give us 1,000.
But maybe they'll
That's okay.
be squeezed. Sit. Carrying is the problem.
A few moments.
Dumaan na din kami ng tindahan para bumili ng aming mga babaunin sa bukid. So, bumili si Maring Sara ng tinapay. Tissue kasi baka walang toilet paper ba. Biskuit, asukal, and sabon. Yeah. Soap for washing clothes. So, ito yung tissue dito, guys. 2,000 Ugandan shillings. I have. Or 20 pesos. How much is this? 4,000? 4,000 or 4,400 Ugandan shillings. Or 40 pesos. Then this one, 5,500 or 55 pesos. Okay. Parang Pilipinas din pala yung presyo. Then soap. So yan, guys. Okay din naman ang mga tindahan nila kahit nasa probinsya kasi kompleto din. Makati na yung ulo ko. Ay, gusto ko palang mag-review. I wanted to share a review, guys, pagdating namin sa probinsya kung kamusta itong ulo ko. On its, I think, 4 days or 5 days na. So, i-share ko sa inyo yung experience ko para if you want to try this kind of hairstyle, alam ninyo. So, okay naman siya, no? Pero merong mga review na hindi masyadong sinasabi ng iba na nagtatry. So, ako sasabihin ko sa inyo. Tinawanan ko ni Maring Sara kasi yung pera ko natapon.
Very rich.
Very rich. 100,000 in one day. Yeah, I cannot even finish that in like 5 years. Kasi yung pupuntahan namin, may bahay si Maring Sara doon, pero dahil walang tao, kailangan namin magsimula from scratch. So, bumili kami ng asin at saka posporo kasi wala kaming asin at posporo. Then, walang tubig na maiinom doon. So, bumili na lang din ako ng tubig. Give it to me. Yeah, it's okay. There. We got everything we need. Yeah. Okay. I thought when Lois comes to the to Soroti, she stays here in her house.
Yes.
This one here.
Dad, yeah.
Yeah. Mainit na yung araw.
They got to tell her we're coming back on Saturday. So even if Saturday she can come, then yes.
Ah,
But Saturday is too late.
yeah.
That means just Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
Let me tell her.
So, yung sa pinalengke namin, guys, konti lang yung nabayaran namin. Ano lang, 10,000 Ugandan shillings or 100 pesos. Ang dami na namin napamili. Pero, sa grocery, yun yung problema ko dito. Kung dito ako nakatira talaga. Mas mahal yung grocery. Konti lang yung nabili namin sa grocery store. Umabot ng mga 50,000 or 500 pesos. Asin, asukal, biskwit, ganun. Tapos natatai ako pero yung toilet is squat toilet. So, medyo mahirap magtai. Mahirap magtai. The sun is up.
Now it's very hot. So now what is this? You didn't train that you're going to do like this. Yeah. And one time like this, it's time though.